Can you imagine? I just realized I wasn't recording this whole time. Dang, I spoke so much. But yeah, so I built a real estate website for real estate agencies, right, that don't have websites. That's where the inspiration came from. I pitched the idea, but then to the real estate to the agencies that don't have website, but it didn't go so well. I think I should have improved my pitch, I guess, but I don't have a lot of experience with that. But let me just show you what I did. So everything on the side I've been practicing also like cybersecurity. So I made sure to implement what I've been learning also to this website. Stuff like IAM and role-based access control. So the website has two sides. So this is the user side, right? Nice, nice and everything. And then I wanted to show you the database. Mm. You see, I don't have any live users because I just didn't want us. I didn't want this to just sit on my PC, and just die here. I want people to see it because I really worked hard on this. So whoever's watching this, thanks for just watching. So this is a database. So the activity logs. Let's open up the admin side as well. Uh, how am I gonna open a new tab? Uh-huh. So let's just do this, and I'll just explain everything. So this is gonna be the admin side. So I'm logged in as an agent right now. So you can log in as an agent or you can log in as an admin. So these are the roles. So the admin side is customized based on your roles. So if you're an agent, you have less roles. So as an agent, what you're able to do is view listings, right? But you can't edit a listing that you didn't submit. So for example, this one, let me just see which one this is. So this one, this agent posted this listing, so they can update it, but they didn't post this listing, so they don't have permission to access or delete the listing because they didn't post it. So I'm gonna log out. I want to show you guys the logs. So the activity logs, this is for the admin, like the real admin, because this is just an agent. I want to log in as an admin. So when you log in as an admin, you get to see the activity logs, what everyone is doing. So you know that this person is the admin. They created this. Kumzile is an agent. So you get to see what everything that everybody did. I guess also in terms of cybersecurity, this is what I learned. Like you gotta have like logs for everything so that if there ever was a breach, you would be able to see like who did what and where in terms of forensics, like digital forensics. So that's where I was like, okay, now I have to implement activity logs. So that's that. And then there's the agents table that'll have all of your agents. Then the leads. So in this website, we have like lead generation tools. So we have this one, right? Book an appointment. I think this is very convenient. Like if you just browse in there and you're like, dang, I like this one. Then boom, you just book an appointment. But if you don't want to do that, there's the contact form as well. So these are the lead generation tools. So they are here, leads, and then the properties. So the property details, any property inquiries that people might have, and then settings, users. So that's it in terms of the database, and then there's the storage, and then there's authentication also. So going back to the admin. So let's just go. Let me just take you through the whole admin. So the dashboard. So you're gonna see all the total properties that are listed. We only have 3 for now. Let me go back to listings. So we only have. We're supposed to have 3. Let me just refresh. Let me do a hard reset because I think it's pulling from the cache. So we do have 3 listings. So why isn't it showing here? I ran into a lot of problems building this, I'm not gonna lie. So I have to fix this because it shows on the home page, but it doesn't show on the listings page. We'll work on it. We'll work on it. So there's the total properties, there's the active listings because one of the houses is sold. Then there's the sold properties, total agents, then just some stats. The leads, the recent listings. So let's go to properties. So here, this is where you can add a property. So agents and admins, they both have the ability to add properties, but agents can only delete properties that they added, and admins can do anything. They can delete or edit any type of property. And also admins can create agents, or they can like assign agents or even deactivate them. So I didn't want to do like a complete delete, so this is like a soft delete. That's why I said deactivate. Otherwise, on the database, the agent's details will still be there. It's just that they won't be able to access the website, I guess. And then with the leads, every lead that's being generated is either if a user books an appointment, or they, let's go over this one, they book an appointment or they fill in the details here, it'll come back here to the lead section. So yeah, and the activity logs will run through this. And then with the settings, I wanted this to be very customizable for the agency, so that they won't have to call me if they want to make any changes. So they can just fill in all of these informations, like these details, and it'll automatically update on the thingy, on the user side. So let's change this. Let's find the dream property. So we'll just go here, homepage content. Let's find the dream property. We are dedicated. So let's just save. So this, okay, it's saved successfully. So now this is what's supposed to show in the hero section. We are dedicated to find a home that best fits your needs. Let's just refresh. Yeah. So I wanted that to happen so that they don't call me if they want to make any changes. If they can update the Instagram links, the about page, welcome to our real estate agency company. You just go to the about. You see. So they'll be able to just put whatever they want. Then with the images as well, they'll just put whatever they want, without calling me. So that's just about it for the admin and the homepage. Like, this is it. It took me a while, I'm not gonna lie. Went through a lot of problems, a lot of learning curves as well. I feel like building this, I really learned so much. Like, I learned a lot, I'm not gonna lie. I think my learning curve is literally like this. This was my learning curve. For real. Now I can say I know how to do a lot more stuff now. I wanted to integrate like some sort of like 3D object or something using Spline, but then I was like, you know what, that might be too much. This looks okay. I mean, simple is best. So yeah, thanks for watching, whoever's watching.